After months of sneak peeks and hype, it looks like we're finally about to get the full reveal of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge. Samsung just announced it's hosting a live-streamed event this Monday, May 12, and the tagline, "The next evolution of Galaxy." Yeah, we're pretty sure that means the Edge is stepping into the spotlight. Samsung's teaser invite keeps things mysterious with the phrase "beyond slim" and what looks like the silhouette of an ultra-thin phone slicing right down the middle. Subtle. Not really. Effective. Absolutely. You can catch all the action live starting at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. The stream will be up on Samsung's YouTube channel and their online newsroom. Now, if you've been following Samsung's 2025 rollout, you've probably already seen the S25 Edge make a couple of cameos. It first showed up back in January during the Galaxy S25 reveal, with Samsung teasing it as a culmination of our most innovative technology packed into a form that's sleek, powerful, and unlike anything you've seen before. It even popped up again at Mobile World Congress in March. But despite those early appearances, we still don't know much about it officially. That said, the leaks have definitely helped fill in some blanks. According to the rumor mill, the S25 Edge is just 5.85 millimeters thin at its slimmest point and weighs 5.7 ounces, which is basically the same weight as the regular S25, even though it's thinner. Word is, we're getting a 6.7-inch display, likely similar to the Galaxy S25 Plus. As for the cameras, it looks like Samsung is skipping the dedicated telephoto lens on this one to keep the body lean. Not skimping on quality. The Edge is expected to come with a massive 200-megapixel main camera, the same beast you'll find on the S25 Ultra. Samsung says this slim powerhouse will still deliver that signature Galaxy camera magic, and thanks to Galaxy Eye, the camera will apparently act like a smart lens, recognizing what's important and helping you capture it like a pro. On the performance side, the Edge is likely running the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, just like the rest of the S25 lineup. That's especially important if the rumors about a smaller battery are true. It'll need that processor's efficient power management to keep things running smoothly. So, what's the price tag? We'll find out Monday, but so far, leaks suggest it'll land somewhere between the $999 Galaxy S25 Plus and the $1,299 Galaxy S25 Ultra. No matter the cost, Samsung's throwing in a nice perk. If you register to pre-order, you'll get a $50 credit toward whatever Galaxy device they unveil. No strings attached. You can sign up, get the bonus, and change your mind later if it's not your vibe. So, are you hyped for the Galaxy S25 Edge? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Are you Team Slim or sticking with the Ultra? I'll be watching the event with you all on Monday, so stay tuned, and until next time, take care and happy tech hunting.